and in this video we are going to simplify this fraction. So the first things that we need to do, look at the numerators. We got it in the form of a squared minus b squared. So when we have a squared minus b squared, that will be equal to a minus b, and then factor with a plus b. So then we're going to apply these formulas in our questions. So we got a equal to, then you represent the first term as a and the second term as b. So that will be a minus b, 4x squared minus 3x minus 18, and then minus b. That will be minus 4x squared minus 3x. Factor with a plus b. The first term is a, and then plus b, 4x squared plus 3x. For the denominator, we have to factorizing. We take 2 in common, then we will get x plus 3. And the second factor, we got 2 in common, and we will get 3 minus 2x. Factor with 2x plus 3, okay? And then equal to. Now we got 4x squared, and 4x squared here can cancel out, and that will be negative 6x minus 18 factors. So this negative 3x, and then we can cancel out, and then we will get 8x squared minus 18. Okay, and then we got 4, which is 2 times 2, we got negative 4, and then we got x plus 3. Okay, and then I can write, which is negative 2x plus 3, and then we got 2x plus 3. Okay, keep going. So for the numerator, we're gonna take negative 6 in common, got x plus 3. Okay, so for the second factor, we take 2 in common, then we will get 4x squared minus 9. Okay, and then take 4, and then we're gonna take negative sign out from this factor, then we will get x plus 3 negative 1, and then 2x minus 3 factor with 2x plus 3. Okay, so now we got negative 6 and 2 here, which is equal to negative 12, x plus 3, and then 4x squared, which is 2x all raised to square, and 9 would be equal to 3 squared. Okay, so negative 4 and negative 1, that will be equal to 4. Factor with x plus 3. Factor with 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3. Okay, and then, okay, so negative 12 simplified with 4, that will be equal to negative 3. And then this factor, which is x plus 3, cancel out, simplify with each other. And for this factor here, we got 2x minus 3 factor with 2x plus 3, okay, over 2x minus 3, 2x plus 3, okay, and then we can cancel out again, and then we will get negative 3 is the answer. Okay, therefore a equal to negative 3. Okay, I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye, see you in the next video.